Welcome to our first and last TV show called Sugar Rush. For the past 3 weeks we were staying in Finland, and so here are Mona and Vera to tell us what kind of impression we made. So, what was your first impression about Slovenian people?
At first you were kind of shy and well, you talk to us quickly, so it wasn't that hard to get to know each other, but yeah, that's kind of what I have.
So what was your first impression about us?
Well, first I thought, understandably, you were shy, but really soon after that you started talking to us and we started talking to you, so I was really glad that you were the social kind of people.
Okay, so what makes us different from Finnish people?
I don't know, you are kind of same as us, so I don't see much difference. Yeah, not really.
Okay, so do you think there's any difference?
Not really, not at least based on the four of you. Maybe sometimes a bit louder, but then again we can be loud too, so really I don't know.
So do you think we have any habits that are annoying or that bother you?
I haven't seen them yet. I don't know if I don't know you that much, but I haven't seen those annoying habits.
Oh, okay. You?
Well, only based on when I was in Slovenia, I noticed that some people, especially young people, when getting to know someone, they like to lie about their age or name or where they live, and that was what bothered me. But from the four of you, I haven't noticed anything.
Okay. So, what do you like about us most?
You are so social and I don't know, you like the same things that we like, and yeah.
So what do you think?
I also like that you're very social and easy to talk to, and considering when we work, you're really you take initiative and you do your job well and stuff. It's really nice to work with you.
Thank you. It's so nice to work with you too.
Thank you.
So, would you like to visit Slovenia sometimes?
Yeah, absolutely. I would like to. I have heard so many nice things about it. So.
Wow, thank you. So, since you were there for 2 months, would you like to go back or?
Yeah, preferably during summer with maybe friends or something. It would be really nice.
Okay. So these are all the questions we have for today. So we'll see you shortly. So now to the more serious stuff. We're gonna play a game, and you're gonna try to say our words in Slovene language, and you're gonna try to repeat them. So the first word for Mona is žganje.
Sikranja.
Try it again. Žganje.
Žganje.
Okay, better. It's actually a type of alcohol in Slovenia.
Okay.
Okay. So, Vera, your word is ščurek.
Ščurek.
You nailed that. Okay, great. That's a cockroach.
Really?
Okay. Knjižnica.
Gnicica.
Knjižnica.
Pizza. That sounds like pizza or something.
That's a library. Okay.
Yeah.
You say struci fižol.
Struci fižol.
How do you do that? Okay. This is green beans. Okay. And this is our longest word. It's dialektično materialističen. Good try. Dialektično materialističen.
Materialističen.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Okay. And our name of the show is Sugar Rush. Can you share?
Sugar Rush.
Great. You?
Sugar
Kind
Rush.
of easy.
Great. Okay. These are all our words we have prepared for you today.
Okay, now it's
And
our
now-
turn.
Yes. Okay. yllytätkö hän?
Yllytätköhän?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. It means it's one word, but in English it would mean I wonder if you will push him to do that. You know,
Oh.
like kind of trying to get someone to
Dare.
do something.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Jääkaappimagneetti.
Jääpaakagnetti.
So cute.
Jääkaappimagneetti.
Jääpaakagnetti.
Oh my
Not even
god.
close.
Is
I
that so
tried.
hard?
It means refrigerator magnet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Työntäyteinen.
Työtäyteinen.
Työntäyteinen.
Työtäyteinen.
Kind. It means like your day could be full of work. It's like full of work. Something is
Oh.
like your day or something.
Uh-huh, okay.
Yeah. Rysäys.
Rysaus.
Yeah. Kinda, yeah. It says rysäys.
Rysaus.
Almost. I'll accept that. It means like a crash.
Oh, yeah.
And then for our longest word, one of the longest ones, I think it has 49 letters. So, lentokone, suihku, turbiini, moottori, apumekaanikko, aliupseeri, oppilas.
Motori something.
Well, you started better now.
Oh,
Wanna try once again?
yeah.
Lentokone, suihku, turbiini, moottori, apumekaanikko, aliupseeri, oppilas.
Letostut motorilta and in the end it's lokolas. I think.
For me, it's hard to, and I am Finnish, so
Yeah.
Oh.
it's okay.
It's hard to remember because this has like, well, maybe 10 different separate words put all together to form
Wow.
one.
How many letters did you say?
49.
Wow, and I has like, I don't know, around
Mm.
14, 17, I don't know.
Yeah, but
Wow,
nobody
okay.
really uses this. But this is like a student studying to be an airplane mechanic,
Yeah.
something in the army.
Wow, that
I
seems...
don't know. Or like he's in the army and he's a student studying something about airplanes.
That makes more sense, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I also have a sentence which has similar words but mean different things. And yeah, okay. Tuu kattoon, kun kärpänen tapettiin.
Tukka, tunka, tunkapetin.
Tapettiin.
Can you just say like word for word?
Okay. Tuu
Do,
kattoon,
katton,
kun
kun,
kärpänen
kärpänen,
tapettiin.
tapeti.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does that mean?
It means come see the fly was killed on the wallpaper. But
You use that a lot?
well,
Not
we
in
don't
the
really say.
daily
It's just
basis,
like
but-
it's kind of like a saying or like a word play. But kattoon means the ceiling, and also to look, like to come look, and it means the ceiling. So it was like, yeah, it's like come look in the ceiling. We killed a fly on the wallpaper, and tapettiin means we killed and wallpaper,
Wow. Okay.
like on wallpaper. Yeah.
Great. So thank you too for your time.
Thank you.
Bye.
And thanks to all the audience. We'll see you in Slovenia.
I got that